Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Here's a welcome to another video of Adams High School for class 1st subject EVS. It's our second lesson and our topic is my body. See, here's a picture of our body. Here's a picture of our parts of the body. This is our body parts. Our body parts and our body work all day and night. Each and every part work differently. Each part works differently and each part of our body has a name. Let us learn about them. This part of our body is called head. This part of our body is called head, and this part of our body is eyes, and this part of our body is ear. This is our nose. This is our mouth, and this part of our body is chin. This after mouth, this is our chin, and this is our neck. See, the arrow mark is here. This part of our body is called neck. After neck, the shoulder will come. These part of our body are called shoulders. See, we have two shoulders. And this part of our body is chest. We have two hands. And this part of our hand is elbow. And you know, students, our elbow help us to bend our arms, to bend our hands and arms. See, these are our fingers. In our hand, this part is called elbow, and this is our wrist, and these are our fingers. This part of our body is called stomach, and these are two legs. This is knee, this is our ankle, and this is our foot, and these part of our legs are called toes. These part of our body are called toes. This is our foot, and this part is called ankle. We have two legs. You know, students, each and every part of our body is very helpful to us. See, eyes. We have two eyes, and our eyes help us to see. Our eyes help us to see everything around us. With the help of our eyes, we see everything around us. How many eyes do you have, students? Yes, we have two eyes, and we see our eyes. We see with the help of our eyes. Ears. We have two ears. How many ears do you have? Yes, every person have two ears, and our ears help us to hear. Sounds. The next part of our body is nose. It's nose. Look at here. It's nose. We smell with our nose, and our nose help us to breathe. हम सांस भी अपनी नोज़ की हेल्प की वजह से ले सकते हैं. नोज़ की हेल्प की मदद से हम सांस भी लेते हैं, एंड वी कैन स्मेल द थिंग्स. वी स्मेल द फूड ऑफ आवर. वी स्मेल द फूड, and we smell the flowers, and the scents and odors also. with the help of our nose. Then next is our tongue. I taste with my tongue. हम अपनी ज़बान से हर चीज़ का जायका मालूम कर सकते हैं. और फूड का टेस्ट मालूम करने के लिए हमारे बॉडी का कौन सा पार्ट हमारी हेल्प करता है? टंग. टंग हेल्प अस टू taste our food, and tongue help us to speak also. The next part of our body is skin. Our skin give me the sense of touch. Our skin give us the sense of touch. It also help us to feel hot and cold. These parts are called sense organs. Nose, ears, eyes, tongue and skin are called sense organs. And you know students, the largest organ of our body is skin. हमारी बॉडी का सबसे लार्जेस्ट पार्ट कौन सा है? वो है स्किन. स्किन हमारी बॉडी का सबसे लार्जेस्ट पार्ट है, ऑर्गन है. Our body has many organs and each part perform a special role in our body. And the eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin, these are called sense organs. Sense organs किसे कहते हैं? What is sense organs? Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin are called sense organs. I hope you all have understand very well. We have completed our second lesson. We will meet another video. Till then, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.